you ever feel like your English is good, but you still don't sound fluent? Like, you know the words, but something's missing? Well, today I'm going to give you 10 powerful phrases that native speakers use all the time. And if you start using them, you'll instantly sound more confident, natural, and yes, fluent. And make sure you watch till the end. Phrase number 10 is a game changer that even many advanced learners don't know. Phrase 1. It's not a big deal. Context, instead of saying, it's okay, or no problem.
Is that big of a deal? Yes, it's a big deal.
Jim, it's not a big deal.
Not a big deal.
Relax, it's not a big deal. Everybody knows.
I don't believe it's a big deal.
Imagine someone apologizes to you. Sorry, I'm late. Instead of saying, it's okay, which sounds flat, say, it's not a big deal. This sounds friendly, calm, and very natural. I couldn't agree more. Context, to strongly agree with someone.
Couldn't agree more.
Good.
Couldn't agree more.
And I couldn't agree more.
Couldn't agree more. And I will be leaving that way.
When you completely agree with someone, don't just say, yes, I agree. Say, I couldn't agree more. This makes your English sound alive and emphatic.
Would you want to come with us?
Hollywood!
This movie is amazing. I couldn't agree more. Phrase 3. That's a good question.
Will, that's definitely a good question.
That's a good question.
Be explained by a private marijuana addiction?
You know, that's a good question, Hasselhoff.
Context, when you need a moment to think. This is a great way to sound fluent when your brain needs a second to catch up. Instead of panicking, say, that's a good question. It buys you time and makes you sound thoughtful. Example, why did you move to this city? That's a good question. I guess I wanted a fresh start. Phrase 4. If I'm not mistaken.
Terribly sorry, sir, but I'm afraid you're mistaken.
If I'm not mistaken, Harry.
Context, when you're not 100% sure, but you want to sound polite. Instead of saying, I think, or maybe, use, if I'm not mistaken. It sounds professional and confident. If I'm not mistaken, the meeting starts at 10, not 9. Phrase 5. Fingers crossed.
Right. Keep your fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'm keeping my fingers crossed here. Are there any volunteers?
And your toes, too. I am crossed.
Yeah, I do. So keep all your fingers crossed.
Context, to wish for good luck. Natives use this all the time casually. If your friend has a big test tomorrow, you can say, fingers crossed. It's friendly, short, and very natural. Example, I hope I pass the interview. Fingers crossed. Phrase 6. Long story short.
Long story short.
Got the long story short, Holy Father.
So, to make a long story short.
Long story short, calamine lotion.
Context, to summarize something. When telling a story but want to skip the boring parts, say, long story short. It's like saying, in summary, but casual. Example, long story short, I missed the bus, walked in the rain, and still made it on time. Phrase 7. It's worth a shot.
It's worth a shot.
Yeah.
It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot.
Well, it's worth a shot. Well,
I say it's worth a shot.
Yes, I agree. Let's do it.
Context, trying something even if you're unsure. When you want to encourage someone to try, say, it's worth a shot. It means, let's try. Maybe it'll work. Should I apply for that job? Why not? It's worth a shot. Phrase 8. Let's get the ball rolling.
I'm there. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get there.
Leg time, consigliere. Get in the car.
I need that ball. Get me the ball.
Context, to start a project or meeting. This is a great idiom for professional or group situations. Instead of saying, let's start, say, let's get the ball rolling. It makes you sound proactive and confident. Example, all right team, let's get the ball rolling on this new project. Phrase 9. I'll keep you posted.
Keep me posted.
Okay, son, come on, have a seat.
Don't break. But keep me posted on Duke Wake Forest.
Context, to promise updates. Instead of saying, I'll tell you later, use, I'll keep you posted. Very common in emails and conversations. Example, I'm still waiting for the final decision. I'll keep you posted. Phrase 10. Don't quote me on that.
That's a direct quote.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Don't quote me on that.
Context, when you're not completely sure. This is an advanced, very natural phrase. If you share information but you're not 100% sure, say, don't quote me on that. It's a friendly disclaimer, native speakers use it all the time. Example, the new cafe opens next week. Don't quote me on that, though. Alright, you've just learned 10 powerful phrases that will instantly make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here's your challenge. Pick 3 of these phrases and use them in your conversations today. The more you use them, the faster they'll become a natural part of your speech. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fluency tips, and comment below. Which of these phrases is your favorite? I read every comment. Let's practice together. Thanks for watching, keep speaking confidently, and I'll see you in the next video.